Look at him. He ready. He ready to eat. Get your butt back. Get back. Get back. Say good morning to the people. Say good morning. Say good morning. First things first, I gotta get him some. Move, Chunky. Get him some water going. Get him some water going. I'm doing this morning. I do it sometimes, but I'm doing it this morning because I was the first person up. Normally Josh do it. Go ahead now. Act like he's so hungry. He got his water right here. He got his food right here. Act like he just cannot wait. Now the other one, Fresh. He already got his stuff. He already got his stuff right there. Hey, Fresh. Say hey, Fresh. Say hi. Tell the people hi. Tell them hi. Hi, Chunky. Hi, Chunky. Hi, Chunky. Hi, Chunky. Chunky need a bigger cage.